How to fix deployment failed with HRESULT error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter is a built-in tool designed to identify and automatically resolve issues with Microsoft Store apps. It checks for common problems, such as app conflicts, incorrect settings, or corrupted files, and attempts to fix them. Sometimes, the Microsoft Store's cache can get corrupted, leading to errors. Clearing this cache can help resolve such issues by removing temporary and possibly corrupted data. Wait for the command to complete and the store to reopen. The cache will be reset. If that didn't work, repairing or reinstalling Windows can fix underlying issues by replacing corrupted system files without deleting personal data.